I'm a little bored today. What should I do? Oh yes, I'm going to draw a cute dress with you. First, I'm gonna draw with the top of my dress and the part of hands. Hey kids, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my videos. I have many cute drawing videos for you in my channel. Our dress is almost done, but we need something else. Do you know what we need? Exactly, you're so smart. We need a bow tie, so let's draw it. We are done. Great, kids. Now I want to color my bow tie with red. This is red. And a pink for the shoulders. This color is pink. I love pink. Do you like pink? Now I want to color the other side with purple. This is purple. This is purple, like grape.